So hi everyone. So it's 8:38 in the morning. I took a 500 position of BATL at 7:04. It has 3 million of volume and 18 million of float. So this stock is kind of spready. It has like a 4 cents, 5, 7 cents of spread. So I pressed the sell order of 250 shares for 724. Okay, I sold the 250 position at 724. I got another 250 position. We have big seller at level 740, 750. So I pressed another order of 250 position at 734. So I sold the rest of the position at 734. Right now my account is up 135 cents. I think next resistance level it's around 848. So it's 8:48. I already took a one trade. This is my watch list, the pre-market watch list. So I have this one, PGEN. It's up from 355 around 415. Right now it's above the VWAP. So the next resistance level is 458. I'm not gonna trade right now, but I'm gonna keep it on my watch list. Next one is CIQ at 4 in the morning, from basically $3 all the way till 880. Right now it's kinda below the VWAP and it's moving side, but I'm gonna keep it on my watch list. The next one is RBNE, Urban Energy. I saw this stock yesterday. It was start moving around afternoon. It was 170 and hit all the way 240. Right now it's up pre-market. It went all the way to 280 basically. If you go to the 5 minutes, it's kind of around the VWAP. So I'm not gonna trade right now. A little bit low volume, and also MACD is crossed down. If you go to the daily, next resistance level is 284. So I'm gonna keep this on my watch list. Next one is AIFF. It starts moving 750. So basically it was like around 180. It got all the way to 40. Right now it's kind of below the VWAP and very low volume, and I think it's gonna move down. So I'm not gonna trade right now. I'm gonna wait till markets open. Do the pre-market right here. We have all the stocks up in the morning. It was up from 8 to all the way basically 40, but actually lost it, and right now it's my moving side. Also it has a very light volume, so I'm not gonna do that. And this one was up yesterday after market closed. It was 215. It went all the way to the 50, and right now it's moving side around 330. So we're not gonna do that. LPX, this is kind of expensive. The stock is starting to move right now as we watch. It has a very light volume. I think it's gonna pick it up maybe. I'm not gonna trade it right now. I'm gonna keep it on my watch list. Okay. So I took a one trade with this stock at 704 and sold around 735. Right now it's kinda close to VWAP. I'm gonna see what happened when markets open. And this is on my watch list. and this has very light volume. This is the same. It's kind of little cheap. This one is on my watch list. This one is too cheap. That's interesting name. Love. Very light volume. It was $12. I got almost 14. I'm not sure what's the deal with this one, but I don't know. It's a very light volume. Penny stock. Okay, basically all the stocks on my watch list. I'm gonna keep an eye on them. Okay, it's a 9:28. We have 2 minutes to market open. So I'm waiting this stock. It's on 5 minutes right now. It has a 1 million of volume. It's kind of very light. Also, it has a very high free float. I'm not gonna trade it, but also it has a very big seller at 420 level. Let's see what happens. So if you go to the pre-market right here, this stocks is actually remain the same, nothing new on my watch list. So basically all the stocks. Okay, market is open. It's 9:30. I have this on my watch list. I put it in 5 minutes. It has 20 millions of volume and 10 millions of free float. I have a big seller at 220. So next resistance level is 220. Also, it's below the pre-market high, which was 240. So I'm not gonna trade right now. I'm gonna wait about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes probably. Maybe less, maybe more, to see where the market wants to go. I have the stock is up again. It's ANNA. I traded a couple of days before. So right now it's moving high around $9. So I'm gonna put it in right here. ANNA. Okay. So next resistance level is gonna be like 1040 for ANNA. If you pay attention for the level 2, it has like 4, 5, 10 cents of spread. I'm gonna back to AIFF. Okay. So pre-market high was 240. So it's close to that level. Oh wow, look at it. You get 250. So I got a 1,000 shares for 244. It kind of has a crazy move. So it dropped, then up, dropped, now it's up. Spread is about 1-2 cents. Big seller at 250. I think it needs a little bit more volume over here. Okay, it's going up. I think we have to clear this level, 250. Yeah, it's no volume over here. Look at that. It's kind of very light volume. If it's to pick up more volume, I think it's gonna clear this 250 level and go up. Big seller at 240. Yeah, I think I took a trade a little bit early right here because right now it's only 9:45, 46. I should probably have to wait a little more before I jump on the trade. I sold the 500 position on the market level around 232 and I took a loss. So, but I still have 500 position left. The reason I sold because it has a kinda is not picking up the volume. Also, MACD's crossed down. So I sold the rest of the position on my market level, 227, and I took a loss. So overall, after the second trade, my account remains minus $20. So basically, I'm even. So I'm gonna watch if it's gonna clear this 250 level. Let's look at ANNA. Look at it. It made a crazy move. It starts going in pre-market, so around 9 o'clock. Look at it. It went up and it dropped a little bit. It was 770. It was all the way basically $9 and back to 760. Wow, it's a little choppy. Okay, this stock was on my watch list pre-market. It has 36 million volume right now and a very small float, 800. Right now it's up. So basically pre-market at 4 o'clock it was up 881. So right now it wants to reach this 881 level, but it didn't. It went 873 and now it's going down. 5 cents of spread. So I think you have to be careful with this one. I think if it's cleared this level, it has a potential go more up. But if you can see, it has a very large big sellers. Okay, wait, I'm not gonna trade, I'm gonna see what's happening next. So let's go to the market and see what's going on. So this one I just watched it, and this one's kind of a little bit expensive. Also it has very light volume and right now it's on hold. It was on my watch list. It's kind of was yesterday, it was up after market closed, but it lost everything. Right now it's kind of moving side. This kind of a little bit expensive. This one's too cheap. Look at the penny stock. It was up pre-market from 40 cents to $1 and it lost basically half of it. Right now 60 cents. NDLS has a very light volume. I'm not interested, but it's kind of moving up. It was 7.50. Right now it's around $9. It's probably next resistance level around $10. I'm not gonna trade that one. It was on my pre-market watch list, so I took a trade in this one. And I actually jumped very early at 244 level, I guess, over here. Yeah, and I took basically I sold all my position at market level over here because it has a big seller at 240, so I didn't wait. It has potential to drop down, so I think I'm gonna wait till 250 level clears, and if it's go up, it has very light volume. This one also has very light volume, and if you see, it's kind of very choppy. It was pre-market up, then it's down, and then up, and it's down. Like right now it's moving up. Not sure about what happened with this one. This was on my pre-market watch list, but right now, as you see, it's very right here. It's moving tight. This is also light volume, but it's kind of when market open, it's one dropped. Right now, it's moving up, kind of on the side. Not interested. Okay, let's go back to this one. So pre-market it was 881. So I'm gonna see if it's gonna clear this level. Maybe pick up more volume over here. So it's moving up. It's close to 881 level. I'm not gonna trade right now. I'm gonna see what's happened at this level. Yeah, it's kind of spreading, pretty choppy. Okay, it's close to 880 level. Nice, look at it, look at it. So it cleared that 880 level and went all the way 960. Wow, that's a big move. And it's moving up. Look at the level 2. Wow, $10 big seller. Okay, now it's on hold. I'm assuming it's 5 minutes hold. Okay, let's go to the market and see what's going on. Okay, this is on hold. This is a little bit expensive and choppy. Very light volume. It's kinda up and drop. Okay, let's see what I have. This one's still moving side. So I took a second trade with this stock and I lost it. Right now it's like a moving side, no volume. Also MACD is crossed down. We have a big seller of 238, 240 area. So I'm gonna wait till this 240 area clears and maybe a little bit more volume, and it has a potential to go up. So let's go back to Epic Quest. Oh wow, look at it. It was on hold at 5 minutes. Now it's open. Oh wow, look at this. Look at the level 2. Wow, it's making crazy moves. 1153, we have big seller. It's easy, can go around $18. Look at the volume. I'm not gonna trade, I'm just gonna watch it. It's kinda choppy and spready, but so I don't think it's a good idea to trade it with small account. So let's go back to AIF. Okay, it's close to the 240 level. Okay, nice move. We have big sell at 250. I kinda wanna pick up at 240, but I don't know. This candles makes me think twice. So I took a 500 position at 245. Wow, look at this. Okay, I sold the rest of the position at market around 214 and I took a loss. So my account is right now minus 200. So when I took a trade right here, I saw this candle close down. But so I told myself like it's kinda, I have to think about it. Yeah, that was the right thinking. Okay, now it's lost the VWAP level. Okay, it's pretty sharp. Let's see what this FATN is doing. So it has a 2.2 million of volume, very light, and free float of 6 million. It's kind of moving. It's moving kind of slow. So let's go to the market and see what else is moving. Okay, this is on hold and it's kind of choppy and it's moving side. This is the same. This one is not doing much. It was after yesterday is up after market. Right now it's moving side. NDLS. This one still has a very light volume. This one's too cheap. Okay, it's 10:17 in the morning right now. I didn't see anything to trade for me that I am interested in. So I took 3 trades today. First trade I was up 130. The second I took a trade with this one and I went down. So I've been like minus 20, and I took a third trade over here and I took a loss 180. For today my account, so basically it's back to 5,000. I'm not gonna take any trade today. I'm gonna just see, maybe watch what's going on, and rewatch my trades. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.